why would a nurse or medical professional align themselves with a supplement company like Plexus? Well, number one, my life had taken a turn. I didn't have answers. I literally was desperate for change, and somebody who I trusted and had a lot of faith in shared these products with me. I did not question them because I trusted her so much. I started them, started seeing results, and then I started talking about it. And as a nurse, I would have told you before, like, sweetheart, if we could write you a prescription for diet and exercise, that's all you need. You can do it the natural way. Well, that's a problem. Is the natural way, there's just so many toxins. Our gut gets out of balance so quickly and so easily. And so Plexus products specifically are gut health products. And you may think, I don't have a gut health problem, but that is not true. When there's dysbiosis, you can have everything from serotonin levels, metabolism, melatonin, like your sleep, and your immune health. So I was having some things that were, the boxes that were being checked, whereas that my check engine light was on. And so when I found these products, I found results and I found relief from those symptoms. And so when I started talking about it, people started asking me, what are you talking about? I think I need what you have. And that is when a business was born. And so I was able to work 3.5 years side by side, my nursing business or my nursing career in the emergency room and Plexus. And so then COVID hit. And about a year into COVID, we had paid everything off. We had gotten ourselves to a really great place financially because Plexus had doubled my nursing income. And we were buying cars, we were paying for college. You know, it was just like, man, this is amazing. Like, this stream of income is blowing my mind, and it's real and it works. And so we got to that place. I had some surgery that many of you have seen in my stories. And it just allowed my brain time to say, you know what? I think I'm done with nursing. Like, I think I want to step away from the bedside. As much as I love it, loved what I was doing for people, I was finding better results with these supplements in the people that I was coaching. And I'm like, this is really getting to the root cause of why they're sick. And so because I was able to help people still, I said, you know what? I'm more joyful over here because it's pleasant. You can only imagine the emergency room. It's not so pleasant. People are there because they're scared, they're sick, and they're having an emergency. And so when I realized that, I was able, with my husband, to say, it's time to step aside. So I did, and I've never looked back. I've actually let my license go because I don't need it anymore. I have a very successful Plexus business and trips with my husband annually. In fact, we're going to the Bahamas in February. How would you love a paid-for vacation? Twice a year we get to go places at the level that I'm at in the company, which is very doable. I am a person that would love to coach you to reach one of those levels. And it's just because you love people, you want to help them. I feel like when the world is thriving, not just surviving, it becomes a happier place. And so Plexus has a saying, like, when you're blessed, be a blessing. And so that is my goal, is to just keep sharing the good news, sharing that with other people, helping you do the same thing. And, you know, and be able to, if you want, create another stream of income, or step aside of your 9 to 5 and, you know, just have freedom to travel. Like, we're traveling right now across the United States. And I retired at 51 from my nursing career. That is super young. Most people, it is 65, so that they can get their Medicare benefits. And even some nurses, I've worked with a lot of nurses that are still in their 70s. And anyway, it's just so much freedom, you guys. So if you have any questions, let me know. But that is why would a nurse want to align herself, or another medical professional want to align themselves with something like Plexus. So thanks for listening.